Hello everyone,
This is Caroline from TalkDay. Today I'm very glad to be here to introduce our latest technology, T30. It is equipped with a green laser, making it easier to be identified in sunlight with an accurate arrow of no more than 2.5 centimeters. Besides, it also features a wide-angle camera at the bottom for AR real-time staking, making layout tasks more convenient and accurate. It has Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, NFC, firewall radio, and other functions. Besides, it also has a battery up to 3800 mAh, and it can work for 3 days. Now, let's explore its laser functions.
First, ensure that our receiver is in fixed solution. Then, we open the laser measurement on the interface. Align the laser with the object you need to measure. Click the icon to start the laser measurement. Now, we open the point library. You can see the point we just measured. Select the point and click stakeout. We can start staking. Click the laser icon to open the laser staking. Follow the prompt above to locate the staking point.